Hey baddies! Welcome to my first makeup tutorial. Today's focus is going to be brows. My hope for this video is that you at least take one piece of info and apply it to your regular makeup routine. So starting off, we're going to brush out the eyebrows with a spoolie, and today we're going to be using the eyebrow pomade by Bio Makeup, and if you guys are interested, just let me know because I'm selling it. So we're going to start off by lining the top of the eyebrow, making sure you're keeping a nice steady line, a straight line towards the top, and then curve it out towards the end. And we're going to do the same thing in the bottom, making sure you don't put too much product, especially at the beginning, because then it's going to be hard to blend out. And with the excess that you have, make sure you blend. Taking the spoolie, we're going to blend a little more, making sure those edges are nice and soft. Now we're going to grab some eyebrow powder, and with a dip brow you really don't need it, but I like to have the edges look nice and clean, and I feel like it's a lot easier for me to do once I have that powder in, so I'm going to go with the darker powder at the end and the lighter at the front to create an ombre effect. Now with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, we're going to clean up the bottom, making sure you can see the eyebrow and it's well and nice defined. Any mistakes that you made, you can cover it with this, and basically the point is just to emphasize the shape of the eyebrow. I went a little too far up at the beginning, so it's just me compensating for that, making sure I have a nice straight line and a curve at the end, and blending out and distributing the rest of the concealer, making for a perfect eyeshadow base if that is your next step. Don't forget to blend right after applying the concealer so you can prevent any creasing in the eyelid. Now, of course, you want to set it, so we're going to be using the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. And we're just going to set all the lid. Now, taking a brow gel by Rima, we're going to set the eyebrow, making sure every hair is in its place and getting the shape that we want ultimately. Now we're just going to add some highlighter to the brow bone, and that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye baddies!